Got my mind on the grind, moving with the flow. Leather jacket on, feeling like a king. Life's a journey, here the freedom that it brings. Every turn I take, lessons learned in the ride. Navigating through the struggles with my dreams as my guide. Street lights flash, illuminating my way. In this concrete jungle, I'm here to stay. So many roads, so many paths to choose. Every mile I travel, I got nothing to lose. Driving through life, feeling so alive. With every heartbeat, I know I'll survive. In this car of dreams, I'm chasing the sun. With my vision clear, I know I've just begun. Reflecting on the past, the battles I've fought. Every scar I wear, a lesson that I've taught. Rolling through the nights under stars that shine bright. In this journey of mine, I'm ready for the fight. So I'll keep on moving, won't look back. With the engine roaring, I'm on the right track. Driving through life, feeling so alive. With every heartbeat, I know I'll survive. Every roadblock I face, I'll break through. With my head held high, I know what I gotta do. Taking every chance, making my own fate. In this journey of life, I won't hesitate.